Google now filing a complaint against rival Microsoft in the EU, accusing it of unfairly locking its clients into using its cloud product. For today's Tech Check, Deirdre Bosa on how this could be just the latest and recently renewed scrutiny against Microsoft, Deirdre. And interesting that Google is turning the tables on the EU after so often it's the target.
Yeah, and you know what? It's also interesting you use the word renewed. That's a good word to describe it because Microsoft was, of course, the target of regulators in the late 90s and early 2000s. But in this current wave of scrutiny, it's enjoyed more of an under-the-radar status relative to its big tech counterparts. Call it the antitrust advantage. The EU complaint, though, is another sign that that advantage could be eroding and that Microsoft could face more pressure, not just from regulators, but its tech peers as well. Google, which is facing a mountain of legal battles on its own, it's going on the offense here, using its smaller player status in cloud computing to argue that Microsoft has a monopoly in the space. Now, it has been an effective strategy in the EU for others, much smaller companies like Slack, which filed a complaint against Microsoft's bundling of Teams with Office 365. There's also Epic Games, which went after Apple and Google's App Store policies. Both have gained concessions in the form of fines or the lowering of walled gardens, arguably more important. Now, Google's complaint is unique. Sarah identified this in that it pits giant against giant, making it very high profile, a high profile fight that could raise flags for American regulators. As you well know, Sarah, because you talked to her the other day, Europe's antitrust chief, Margrethe Vestager, she was in D.C. this week to meet with her U.S. counterparts, and we've seen that cases there can inspire similar investigations or lawsuits here. Now, so far, the regulators in the U.S., the DOJ and the FTC, they have antitrust cases out against Google, Apple, Meta, and Amazon. There isn't one against Microsoft, although regulators are poking around. The FTC has opened an antitrust probe into Microsoft's take-under deal with Inflection, where it took a lot of the staff but didn't actually do a full-out acquisition. Google, though, take a look. It is a warning of what happens when regulators do bear down. As we pointed out many times, its forward price-to-earnings multiple, it's the only one of the Mag 7 that is below 20 times. As uncertainty around those lawsuits, it's spooking investors. Microsoft's, as you can see here, it is well above that. It's above 30 times earnings. And it could have room to fall because, as we've seen, guys, the market in, I would say, just recent years, maybe the last year only, have really begun to price in some of the antitrust scrutiny.
Deirdre, do we know what the market share is of Microsoft in cloud computing?
Well, we know that worldwide it is a second, and you know, a pretty significant second to Amazon's AWS. AWS has been the leader here for a really long time. Of course, Microsoft is going to argue that. But what Google takes issue with is, again, this idea of a walled garden that has just been such an effective argument, especially over in Europe. The idea that Microsoft can bundle all these things together because it is such a strong player in enterprise. And, you know, what Google argues can unfairly punish companies if they want to switch cloud computing. Google, Sarah, you well know, distant third in the cloud computing race, which is interesting, right? It's going after cloud computing when its dominant business, search and ad technology, is under fire from regulators.
Deirdre Bosa, Tech Check. Deirdre, thank you very much.
Thanks.